Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Deffenbaugh, and we are almost into 1 week of e-learning, and I thought after kind of working with my kids and getting some of your comments or your parents' comments, I felt like we need to do something to kind of help us stay organized. I think the biggest complaint, or not necessarily complaint, but the most overwhelming thing that we're experiencing right now is just all the emails that we're getting. And so I think if we could kind of put together our assignments so that we can put them all together in one spot, it might be easier. So I am sending everybody, it looks like this, it's called the class spreadsheet. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm sending this to everybody, and I am not expecting you to do this unless you want to. This is completely for you. So in Excel, we've kind of learned how to make different cells and that. And so what I've done is I have taken Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It says week March 23rd to 27th. And then I put classes along the side here. And notice I just kind of did some like ELA, math, science, social studies, band, vocal art, PE, writing if you're a 7th or 8th grader, and then computers. And so what I thought you could do if you wanted to, you could type all your assignments and when they're due for the week in here. So when you start getting all those emails, let's say you get one from Mrs. Konieczny, or you get one from Mr. Miller, or you get one from Miss Shippey, you can go ahead and just put the assignments in here. I have put the computer assignments in here for you. And you can change these to whatever you want them to be. Obviously, some of you don't have writing. You could change that to a different course. Or some of you have algebra. I mean, if you want to put something specific, you sure can do that. You can edit this however you want. So for me, for computers, what I did was I have set up class assignments for this week in this spreadsheet. And I have that on Monday. Now, you could do this earlier. If you have emails and things like that from teachers on Sunday, you could start doing this. And then I have my assignments that I want you to submit. So one is watch some videos on screenshots, submit a screenshot to me. Folders in emails, we're going to talk about how to create folders in your email, submit a screenshot. Deleting and recovering emails, there's no assignment with that one. And then I have all submissions are due on Friday. And then you notice on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I put finish any computer assignments you need to finish. Because if you look at it, my assignments, you don't necessarily have to do this on Monday. Or maybe this one you would want to do on Monday, but I'm not grading this. This is for you. But mine basically need to be submitted to me by Friday, meaning emailed to me. So this spreadsheet right here is just a class schedule. You could, even if you didn't want to type it in, you could actually print this out. And then you could just write your assignments in there. One thing I do recommend, if you're going to print it out, you might want to select all of the screen, because it's not going to all fit on one page. And then if you go into page layout, print area, set the print area. When you set that print area, it's going to print this. And so then if you go file print, what I suggest here is, you notice how this is in portrait, the orientation is portrait. Change that to landscape so it goes across the page. And notice how it doesn't all fit on there. You can, with the scaling option here on your printer, go to fit sheet on one page, and then it'll all fit on one page for you. Not so necessarily so you have it all to fit on one page. So that's kind of, you might want to fiddle around with that just a little bit to see what works for you. Like I said, this assignment is, and I'm not going to print this, but this is optional as a way for you to stay organized, because I think that's probably the hardest part, is we don't have one place where everything is saved. So this will be sent to you in the email along with this video link, and you can do with this what you want. And hopefully for you or for your parents, it might help you stay organized. You can kind of check things off on here, show your parents what you have done and what you have to do too, because, you know, especially for those of you that don't have a parent home with you, they want to know what you've accomplished, but it's kind of hard to tell them that. So this might be a way to kind of put everything together into one document for the week for you to check things off. Okay, so that's about it for this one. Thanks, guys.